let them rot.
I want to know because I could be hired someday for a new
Last
agent
round
VA.
in the
What?
half.
We cannot keep our goods after this.
Okay.
Spend all.
You don't ask about shit like that. Also, just because you're getting a VA job, if you do, right? Which doesn't really seem like you would. But if you do end up getting a VA job, right? The rates are all very different depending on the company, depending on what game you're voicing for, like the extent of work that you're doing. Are you doing mocap or are you doing just the voice for it? They're all very different. So even if I were to be paid however some much amount of money, it wouldn't even fucking matter because you and me would be paid very, very, very fucking differently.